Oh my god, what is this guy even saying? Got 50 billion of these coins. Wow. Everyone's bearish. Everyone's bearish. Everyone's bearish. Silver Days, welcome. Welcome to the live stream, man. Thank you so much for being here. Balak, welcome to the live stream. Thank you. Taser said, what's up? One more day. Bet 10 versus $20. $20 is mine. You got Coinbase. Hopefully you're well. What do you mean? You said it's bear, or yeah, you said it's bearish, right? It's not over. We might be getting a bounce, right? The 18th and 19th, right? Yeah, tomorrow's candle and Friday's candle. We'll see. Aloe, welcome to the live stream. Wait, what's crazy? What's going on? What coin are you looking at? I'm always interested in the coins that you're looking at because it's like, it's awesome. Damn it. I need to fill up my water. Welcome, Silver Days. Let me look at XRP and XRP and Zebic for Silver Days. Let's see. Yeah, you are now in the channel. Taking a look at XRP on the live stream. So for XRP, you are now in macro support at $1.39 to $1.92. So the argument here is that we need to stay over $2 for a continuation up to 650. We are now in support. So I don't know how low we're going to go, but if we do come back and refill this wick, you still have a chance at a bottom and a continuation up, which at that point we'll look at areas of resistance. But if you do just keep breaking down and breaking this area, then obviously we're in for a much deeper correction back down to these lows. I don't know, I don't want to say it right now, but we're looking at 38 to 49 cents. So we'll just have to take it case by case though. I do think that we should get some sort of recovery rally soon, hopefully, which is what we're waiting for. But those are also not guaranteed. So despite being oversold and despite being in extreme fear, or I guess fear now, we were in extreme fear, we just have to wait and see where it takes us. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will keep you updated, and thank you so much for your support. They're just all still going down. Yeah, how's OXT? Freaking scammers, man. It's not even just OXT though. Like, look, like it's OXT. Oh man, I wish. See, like the problem is Vision doesn't come to my live streams, but so I used to. Let me see if this shows any personal information. So I used to have this car, and then I got the 2019 Toyota 86 TRD SE. Yeah, this car is super nice. So I wanted to get this car because I used to have this car, but when I had the car, I actually I added a carbon fiber hood and a carbon fiber trunk, and I modded it out a little bit. And then unfortunately I sold it, but this was like my favorite car by far. Anyway, so this is a very limited car. It's a 2016 Scion FRS, which is discontinued. They only have 1,000 of this mod. This is like, you know how there's the base model and then there's the premium model. This is the premium model. This is limited built. There was only 1,000 of these built, and then one of the cool things is that they have it stitched on the dashboard. So if you look closely, it'll tell you, oh, like this is the 2.0 release series. And I think I used to have, mine was a stick shift, but this is a manual. Sorry, mine was a stick shift, but this is an automatic. So it's fine. I've been driving a automatic for the last 2 years. But I don't know. I like the car. I think I'm thinking if I get a good deal, I called the dealership and I did my research, and I want to be around like 14K out the door, but they wanted 15.6 out the door, which is crazy because I know the car and they're not like, I know what I'm getting. I've owned the car before, and we couldn't make an agreement, so it kind of sucks. But whatever. Let's see. I'm gonna tell you now the Japanese carry trade is gonna cause more market dip. What's your thoughts? Possibly. Even though they have no liquidity or volume, even when Bitcoin goes up. Thanks, Meow. You're welcome. Every single one of them outside a few. XRP is a bank approved by the OCC. Balix has XYO. Yeah, we could take a look at XYO. Yeah, sorry about the car talks. Two things that I'm very, very, very passionate about. It's cars, because I'd like to say I've had nice cars my entire life, with the exception of right now, which is fine. But that's one thing. And I just don't see a Dodge Challenger. I just don't see it. And plus, I already showed my wife this, and she says that she doesn't like the body style, and she doesn't think that it fits me. And I didn't think that to begin with, but if she's saying that, then it definitely, like, you know, it's definitely a no. Let's see, XYO. Yeah, so for XYO, nothing has changed. So we need to break 2061, which is the 382. Actually, I'll make a video. Taking a look at XYO on the live stream. So as of right now, we're still under the 382 at 2061. It does look like we attempted to break out, got smacked into macro resistance at 2077 to 1 cent 13, and then we came all the way back down. Now we need to break over 2061 for any sort of argument for a continuation up and a macro bull run, because that is the, oh sorry, you know what, that's not even the 382, that's the 236, right? Yeah, that's the 236. So yeah, you're quite ways away from being macro bullish, because macro bullish would be over 1 penny, which coincides with this shorter area of support, the smaller area, the short-term area of support at 2079 to 1 cent 10, which does coincide with the macro 382. So in other words, you need to break 206 and you need to break 1 penny for any shot at a reversal. But as of right now, as long as we are under 206, then we are probably going to continue selling off, making lower highs, lower low, and validating this channel. So none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. So we are going back to making videos on the live streams because the ad revenue has died and the super chats are dead. So I have to make clips and then just post as many videos as I can, because for me it's like a numbers game. Like even if I make $1 or $2 on every single video, you know, I put like every night, if I live stream this month and I post 10 videos, that's what, 300 videos. So that's like $300, right? Given that I make at least $1 on a video. Anyway, so bear with me. We'll go through all your coins, but I do appreciate you guys coming by. Ripple is a charter, and how is that any different than our current system? Why is that a good thing? Hype sentiment, supply demand. Oh, these two are talking to it. They're having a full-blown conversation in the chat. All right, hey Aloe, did you see what happened with Voxel? Someone actually asked me to look at Voxel. I'm like, what is there to look at? Like, what am I actually looking at here? You even broke this previous low. You're now basically capitulating to zero. This thing's probably gonna get delisted. Like, you won't even be able to look it up. Like, give me one of those coins that, I guess, I can't believe UPI is still on here. Yeah. Can't believe UPI is still on here. What's another one? Jupiter. Do you guys remember Jupiter? Yeah, this one. Yeah, I can't believe this is still on here too. I don't know. Vara soon going to zero. Thanks, Goat. Any altcoins suggest? Dude, do not ask me about altcoins. I'm not gonna give you any suggestions, man. because I don't want to be the reason why you lose money. So that's why you guys have to, like, I will never shill a coin. I will never partner, or like, if I ever get big enough, like, I will never partner with exchanges or with coins and things like that, because I don't want to be responsible for that. You guys pretty much know what I'm holding, and you guys pretty much know my plan for 2026. It's buying Bitcoin during the bear market, because we all know Bitcoin will go up, and I'll make some money, whether it's $1,000, $2,000, $10,000, $30,000. I don't know how much, but I know that I'll make money buying Bitcoin during the bear market. So that's my plan. I'm not trying to do this whole 10x, 20x, make it become a millionaire thing anymore. I'm just going to focus on growing my channel and taking my win with Bitcoin during the next bull run and capitalizing on that with making content and growing my channel. So I think it's a pretty safe avenue and a safe way to approach my goal. Let's see. Jupiter just got listed to Coinbase. No, it didn't. No. It was the other Jupiter. It's not this one. So the other Jupiter. Do you guys remember? Okay, so like, do you remember back when they it was like Silo, right? Yeah, they listed Silo. Okay. Oh my God, look at this coin, dude. Oh wow. So this is another coin that got delisted. But anyway, so they listed Silo and they listed Jupiter. This coin they listed on Coinbase at like back here, yeah, 2021 at like 6 cents, and then they almost immediately delisted it. But this is a different Jupiter. Dream Tanks TV, welcome to the live stream, man. 65K BTC. I don't know, man. We gotta hit 70K first. Yeah, I was talking about coins no one heard of. Dude, this was on Coinbase. This used to be on Coinbase along with Silo. You guys don't remember this? This is back in the day, like in 2020. Like this was 5 years ago. I was making content on these videos when they got listed on Coinbase back in the day. I know it's hard to believe, but I ended up deleting everything and then restarting in November of 2023. But my channel is from 2020. I was making videos on these coins that got listed on these channels back in 2020. So I'm OG, man. I am OG, and then nothing was happening, and then I met this one streamer, and then I started watching him, and I started like, I don't want to say copying, because I feel like it's like anyone could just like look at at one point you have to get that information from somewhere. So I was like, okay, that's pretty good. Kind of created my own thing, created my own empire. I created my own sign. Look at that. Nice little LED sign in the back. Let's go. You guys had to have been here for Coinbase in 2020. Do you guys remember when they listed Atom? They listed Atom at like basically the current price it's at. And when they listed Atom, it went to $8. It was here. And then it went all the way back down. I remember because I remember this. It was back in it was like back in 2000, back here, 2019 or 2020, because I was still working out of an office space. So yeah, this is what a crazy, can't believe Atom's at $2 right now. Look at this token, this beautiful token unlock schedule. Look at that. They spent They spent 5 years releasing on everyone, and basically just the price just went all the way back down to these lows. What a disappointment. Meow getting 10K subs soon? Yeah, hopefully. I think with my plan to just like make a ton of videos and cover the top 100 coins, I think that's like that'll get me a lot of viewers. I think that'll get me a lot of subscribers. Like if I revolve my channel where like, hey, part of like the about me is gonna be, oh hey, like this channel, like part of this channel we do coin reviews on the top 100 coins, the most popular, like the most popular cryptocurrency tokens. You better hope you better hope when I hover over the 18th and the 19th, you better hope the daily candles are red. I don't think it was 1020. I think it was like 2020, right? It was either 1010 or 2020, but we'll see. I mean, we'll know in like 3 days. Yeah, so Dream Tanks, when I hover on the 18th and the 19th, right? He's saying it's gonna be red, and I'm saying it's gonna be blue. So we'll see. Oh no, it went red again. Oh, it's green. The Truth Trill for 99 beans. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, man. And let me know if there's anything you want me to look at for you. I know you're big on USCR, right? Is it going back up? No, it's not. It's still the same. Yeah, it's still the same price, so yeah, you already had a 302 retracement, and then you came all the way back down. So if your dollar cost averaging down, obviously your next buying point would be 2023, which is exactly the same as yesterday, or we live streamed 2 days ago. Yeah, so it's the same thing as 2 days ago. And then the same thing follows if you are establishing a floor here, and if you're going to be consolidating, you've already came back to resistance twice now and got rejected at it. So yeah, I'm not looking at the Heiken Ashi candle, but yeah, I do like that. I do like that chart, especially back when I used HODL. I actually had it on that because it was so much easier to read the chart, because literally the candle will tell you either it's bullish or bearish, whether it's going up or whether it's going down. Very simple. I really like that. And then what was your other coin? It was Pandora, right? Let's see what Pandora is doing. Yeah, Pandora is also not doing anything. So you just need to basically bottom here. And on the macro time frame, you could take a trade out here if it ends up going that high, $800 to $1,600. Oh, I gotta go find the clip because that's definitely not the deal. Oh my gosh, I gotta find the clip because he's saying something otherwise. We'll find it later. Let me see. We didn't give a price. We just said if it's gonna be red or green. But hold on. Now I gotta find it. Let's see. Oh, to makes it 83 or basically fully died. Hmm. All right, let's see. Let me read the chart or the chat. So why not stay on Heiken's candle? Work smarter, not harder. I have become a profitable trader on Heiken Ash candle on the monthly. What was the huddle chart thing you were talking about? I can't find it. What huddle chart? Yeah, Dream Tanks. I know it's a bear market. Like I literally say it's a bear market. I know it's very, very, very bearish. I don't need to like look at it on the monthly. In every single one of my Bitcoin videos, we've basically said it's very, very, very bearish, based on the structure, based on all the indicators, and based on what we look at. So that's not we're not arguing about that. We are on the same page on that. Let's see. All right, I found the clip. So now I get to see it. So now we'll see if you're lying, Sajin, or not. Let's see. But I gotta look at some coins right now. Take a look at Aave, Form, and Somi. Sounds like a plan. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll do this for you this once. But we could look at the what do you call it? Heiken Ashi. Very simple chart to read on the monthly. It really, really, really flows perfectly and shows you whether we're bullish, bearish, or I guess you could say consolidating, waiting for the next leg up. So this is what Bart is on, or sorry, what Dream Tanks is talking about. But technically we're still in support right now at 83.6 to 91,000. So so just keep that in mind. Even on the daily, looks clean, but we're gonna go back to candles. imagine trading on a volume candle, on hollow candles or volume candles. That would be crazy. OXT would be dead on volume candles. We miss out on like 50%, 100% pumps, and just be in the right state of mind. Sage says I live. No, that's not the right time for nicknames. These are nicknames. Somewhere like area of resistance. Let's see. I'll play it right now as soon as I'm done looking at these coins. Aave, taking a look at Aave. Yeah, so Aave's not looking that bad right now on the macro time frame for Aave. You're still macro bullish over 126. You actually had a double top here at the 786 at 372. You're in this channel. You're in this upward channel right now. You're making higher highs and higher lows. So Aave doesn't look. I mean, Aave looks pretty good compared to all the other coins right now. On the macro time frame, you have resistance at 238, and then once you break 372, that's when you're going to have that next move up to 660 and then up to 3.4K. I don't know if Aave can go up to 3.4K because that's just, I guess it can, right? It's only a 16x, right? So let's see, 16x. Yeah, it's only going to be a 32 billion market cap. And the highest it's ever been was like 6 billion. So it's not impossible, but that's if it all. I mean, it doesn't have to go to 3,400. You could still make a lot of money if it lands anywhere between 660 and 3.4K. Herman. I see the market setting. I'll take a look at Turbo for you in a second. With mom after the workout, and in March. I don't think Trump will try to use that and say, "Hey, I feel like you're making me feel like I'm gonna miss out on the." Let's see. Form and Somi. Pump looks like a good buy soon. Volume isn't terrible. This has got to be the worst volume liquidity ratio we've seen in a while. Yeah. What volume? What's form? Oh, what is this, man? I mean, it's not doing anything. Somi. Yeah, this you're just waiting for a reversal. Yeah, and it looks like they're going to be diluting the hell out of this. So, given that they don't dilute it and price stays the same. Sorry, the circulation stays the same. You have resistance and an ability to sell at this area, 34 cents to 48 cents before it basically gets smacked back down and makes a lower low while they're releasing coins and pushing the price down. So just keep that in mind. Let's see. 100% pumps and just be in a right state of mind of being able to dollar cost that. Yo, man, this coin is a lot.
No one knows what the future holds. When upheaval strikes,
I'm just giving you coins for videos. Oh, well, give me a better coin than this. Like, what is, you want me to make a video on this thing? like this is dead. It's a dead coin. Like, what's Luna Classic doing? Like, I need coins like this. Like, where you're getting, yeah, like, oh my god, man. We already called it, though. Of course, you got stuck in resistance. Taking a look at Luna Classic on the live stream. So as we stated, I guess, saying it twice, we got stuck in resistance, and unfortunately now we're coming back down. As of right now, you have support at 4031 to 4038. Typically, when the 236382 fails, that's the next landing pad. And if this area support doesn't hold, you're probably going to come back down, retest this low, and most likely fill this wick down here at 4016 before maybe getting the next move up or attempt to break out. But what I want to see for Luna Classic right now is breaking up and getting back into this box, if that's even possible for Luna Classic to do. I think it's extremely unlikely, but it could happen, right? You could get a breakout and go back to 4052 to 95. And then break out and completely invalidate this downtrend in this and have a trend reversal. But it is very bearish, and just be careful. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And thank you so much for your support. But you guys have to push through attention to what's going. Yeah. So bingo, what if we go straight down from here and we never break 95K? Yeah, why did you say like 18, 19? Legion. Back down and buy Bitcoin. There we go. Here. Rate cuts, but we're going into the rate cuts. We're going to dump. So that's what's happening. Okay, let's see. What's up, yeah? What's up, Fernando? Welcome to the live stream, man. We're just trying to find videos to make videos, or we're trying to find coins to make videos on. And I'm trying to find this bet with Sajin because he's saying something completely different than what the bet is, and I just need to show him. So like, continuation up. They announced another noob they keep up with it for years 2025. We're gonna just rather live with a little bit more up this year. Is an hey, this is bearish, and just maybe the league moves up there when we were going up, and because it's dude, it's such a big bubble, man. Just wait until the AI bubble pops. If you're picky about the coins, you're gonna struggle to hit your targets. If you're picky about the coins, you are going to struggle to hit your targets. No, give me top 100 coins that are doing good. I want real coins. Ban says QE has not begun. Exact rate cut plus QT ending Let's see. Bingo Bingo says rate cuts on bad news is obviously bearish. On good news it is opposite. You noob. QT ended. QE has not begun exactly as a ringer question that he has to answer, and it dumps. No one had started yet. No one had not started yet. This is a lull. Bullish BOJ rate hike 17. Matthew Jocko says as ringer question. That's funny. I was reading one of your old comments thinking it's the new one. Pump double bottom maybe? You mean like pump double bottom and then a breakout? Let me see. I mean, it has 55 million volume now. That he has to answer, and it dumped, Oh. Just ended quantitative tightening.
Machine learning is advancing, but businesses wonder if some machines can keep up.
Let's welcome our new coworker,
I meant
Jeff.
pump the coin. You want me to pump the coin with what money? To the Fed meeting, and that's why we're getting. We got 70% of the chat saying Bitcoin was $6,200, and then it went down. I'll give you their nickname. I thought has one and not more than one is A for asteroid. Coins on this thing, you can kind of see it. Wow, that's a lot of coins. These are all garbage. Yeah, these are not gonna get me views, man. Like, I'm gonna be going down the list, like, not on the live stream. Like, that's not doing anything. Sand has been dead since 2021. Right, since 2021. GRT sucks with maximum inflation. EGLD doesn't even have, like, yeah, it's just basically going back to zero. Data sucks. XTZ's, like, yeah, XTZ hasn't done anything in also, like, 5 years. See, like, Allo says pump, right? So let's see what pump's doing. Yeah, pump sucks too. What's going on, Allo? Injection cake. I know these are garbage, but people are interested in them. Yeah. Hey, whatever gets the views though. Give me a second. Hey Sajin, I'm very close to finding the deal, so I'm gonna show it on the live stream so you see, so you know it. And then cheese noodle. I hope that we get a move towards oversold and new. Lower, that's my opinion. At least 100 mil plus volume, yeah. Like, okay, like pump, whatever. Let's look at pump. What a scam though, but yeah, we'll take a look at pump. Where's CoinX? There we go. Oh wow, they're trying to sell me on this now. Taking a look at pump swap, right? Pump fund. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I said pump swap. Taking a look at pump fund on the live stream. So pump fund actually came all the way back down. Just keep in mind that it isn't fully diluted, so they are going to be releasing coins into the circulation. As long as you factor that into your price action, you should be fine. Now, given that we've bottomed, we could get some sort of relief rally. Keep in mind that if it's still bullish, it needs to break 203 to 204. If it's bearish, you're going to probably get a relief rally back up to this area of resistance, make a lower high, and validate this downtrend that we're still in and we're forming. But for any argument for pump fund to be bullish on the macro time frame, you do need to break 2032 to 204, and then we could start taking a look at the targets on the upside. That's pretty much it. I will keep you updated. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Chatterfrost says, man, WTF, I could not chat, so I had to unsub and resub. What? That's not good. I can see you now. So we have to we're thinking in and change with Pepe right now. We're testing this. Can you say something else? Yo, Shadowfrost, say something else. So I can make sure, like, you're not, like...
You don't have to make feet content
Polystorm?
for your trip. Just
I used to
use
make a lot of
kayak.
Polystorm
They search
videos.
hundreds of sites to find great...
Pippin. What is that? Like some sort of meme coin? Assuming it's a meme coin. I got short Instagram. Hold on. You know, you did tech. Okay, not bad. I got 3 super chats tonight, which is very slow, but nonetheless, I do appreciate it. You know what? Must have been this day. Check 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I can see you. I hop in momentum. Really, I do both. Yeah, I can't turn bullish until BTC hopping. Right now. You want? Oh, that's really it. Which I
Yeah, where the hell is this?
I'll find it. Especially big moves on BTC, then you can locate order blocks and set up large limits on alts. Excuse me. Wow. $100 worth of Bitcoin, 18. So you could still go back up to that area, make up people for the last 4. The strength to hold, like you've held. But the problem is with me, I held the wrong coin. So that's why I'm never touching any altcoins, and I'm not. Like you get some in the same. That's funny. My plan is to literally. If you see what in last week and this week's update, look at the targets on the upside. Buybacks in crypto. Man, I'm sorry. I used to make videos on this. It's intense. And Jasmine made it all-time. Gee, what's... You know, you're no longer making higher lows and lower 2 cent. Right. Coins that, you know, and there's 2 million market. Let's see. Let's see what's trending. Yeah, like all these garbage coins I don't even want to look at. Like what's Yoldo Esports? almost 700 million market cap. I feel like I need to look at this actually. Like I need, yeah, I mean like this is the coins I want to look at, right? Yeah, like that's crazy. Look at this. Why not? Taking a look at Yoldo esports on the live stream. So wow, this thing is having a monster run right now. Just keep in mind that you have support here. So it's very, very, very bullish. You have support at 24 to 32 cents. With any sort of pullback or a breakdown, as long as it stays over this area of support, you're still on target for the next higher highs, and you're still very bullish. Now keep in mind right now, you already almost tagged 53 cents. That is the next major area of resistance. But once that breaks, then you have a clear shot up to $1.76. So that's our moon boy target right now, $1.75. And with any sort of correction, it needs to stay over 24 cents to 40 cents and for a continuation up. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And thank you so much for your support.
Show your daughter how much you love her with this beautiful gift. It says,
My wallet.
It's gone. Not getting that back.
And yeah, that. Hold on, buddy. We break. We
Hold
break
on.
down to the like sitting down. So we might. Let's see. All the volume is on Binance Alpha. Sus as AF. Seems like another jelly. Oh my gosh. Jelly. You know who says that? The Checo the fish. I like how he says it. Jelly. I like how he says it. We gotta look at Jelly though. It's definitely another coin to look at. Actually, let me see if let's see. Yeah, we gotta do whatever we can right now to stay alive during this bearish time. Yeah, Jelly, Control F, Jelly. Already posted so many videos. Go back a page. Oh, there we go. My Jelly got 75 views. That's not bad. Yeah, that's not too crazy. Oh my god, I got 19 cents on the video. With 73 views, I got 19 cents. That's not bad. Let's go. All those cents adds up, man. Night. Oh, let's see. All right, Bardazon, it's okay. You don't have to keep typing. I'm just gonna look at the trending coins. I'll take a look at whatever coin you want me to look at, but I'm gonna look at the trending coins and see if there's anything hidden gems I could find on there. Yeah, this is having a nice reversal, but it's still bearish. Excuse me.
How the economic
Check out ARTX. 17 million, 100 million fully diluted. Yeah, I'm not looking at the Heiken Ashu candle, but yeah, I do like that. I do like. Yeah, why are you ignoring me, man? Are we good? I'm not ignoring you. You're not talking to me. You said Shadow Frost had the same issue, but you're for now victory bet. Yeah, England versus USA. What, did you say something else? No, I'm trying to find the clip right now. I'm not ignoring you. I'm trying to do all the chats. I'm trying to find this, find the bet, because I think we're off on it. I think we are a little bit we are off on it. So I want to see exactly what I said, because I remember what I said, but you said something different. So now I have to go check it. Now I have to go verify it. Let's see. Yeah, this is a good one. Utiland came out November. Yeah, this is good. I found the clips. It's on the comments. Oh, it didn't. You know what? Wait, when it probably didn't go through because you can't post links on the chat, so I don't see any links. Let me make a video, but can you tell me what day it was? And then was it the one 7 days ago? And then can you also give me the time? But don't give me the link because it'll delete it. So 34:32. 34. I got 34:32 or 34:23. Well, let me look at this. Taking a look at Utiland ARTX on the live stream. So this is very, very, very bullish right now. Keep in mind that if we do get some sort of corrections or pullback, as long as Utiland, I don't even know how to say that, but Utiland, as long as this coin stays over this key area of support at 27 to 36 cents, then you can argue for a continuation up, and it is still bullish on the macro time frame. Now, I guess I would say that you already tagged and got smacked into macro resistance at the 1618.54 cents. The next target would be $1.27 once we break 54 cents and start making higher highs. But obviously we're not there yet. We have to double top, break out, and then we can start taking a look at the targets on the upside. At any point, if we do break below this area of support, I do think there's a bigger correction incoming, and we are probably going to come back down and retest these next two areas of support, which would be 11 to 16 cents. However, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will keep you updated, and thank you so much for your support. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that does. Yeah, so I see you sent me the time as well. 34:23, 34:23.
If you ain't trying to freeze your hands off this winter,
Let's
these gloves
see.
might be for you. Not only are they waterproof, they're thermal heated with...
Can you take a look at stack? Yes. Got like 15 different coins. That's pretty good. Bingo says 101 to 106K this week before. Do you think, damn, man, you're so bullish. Bro, 101 to 106K, Bingo. You're insane. If that happens, man, like, that's
Let's
crazy.
see.
I don't even know what to say. Next year is going to be wild, though. If you know, you know. Yeah. People underestimate the bear market, man. I'm not underestimating the bear market. I'd rather sell early, miss out on like 50%, 100% pump. 13 days ago. Oh, 13 days ago. That's why. Okay. So that's why I can't find it. Okay. Let me see. Because I got to see it.
I gotta figure it out. I gotta figure it out. Let's see. You got Robinhood, right? I feel like if I lose, I have to. I think I could send you something if I lose on Robinhood, but let's see. 13 days ago. So 13 days ago, it was December 4th. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. I gotta see this bet.
And then we can start taking a look at
30.
the target. If it does
30.
bracelets, I'm assuming you sell bracelets. Swift was pushed.
Let's see.
Really. 159 to 400%, and then theoretically you would put a stop loss in at this previous low, because the hard reality is that, hey, we might not go up to resistance, down and tag the next area anticipate, which is at least some sort of retracement up.
No matter what your
Oh
name
my
is,
God.
everyone has something to protect.
I should have done this a long time ago.
For Ellie Flaum, it's your freedom.
Well, we gotta see this anyway, so. Oh my gosh, like what the heck? So it's December 13th then, right? Or December 3rd.
Come out because look at this. So like, so these are all just like reference points, so don't get greedy, right? Definitely take profits on the way up. Maybe 650 will be your first profit taking area.
Let's see this.
Completely up to you.
Oh, this is where you said it. Also, we're going down December
Dog and me,
18th.
we'll take a look at it. Also, we are
Let's
going
hear it.
down from December 18, 1920, mark my words. Okay, but what if you're wrong? If you're wrong, can you send me $20?
So you send me $20. You see that? So you're gonna send me $20.
Here, I'll write it on the chart if you want to take that deal. Everyone in my 20 viewers right now. So we got Sajin Mubarak saying that on December 18, 19, and 20, December 18th and 19th, we're going down. Now, is he going to take this deal? I will mark it on the chart. If we don't go down, you have to super chat $20.
There we go. You have to super chat me $20 if we don't go down. So I was right. So BTC, if we're not going down on December 18th and on December 19th, you're super chatting me $20, baby. I can smell it.
But if we do go down, then I will put $25 on anything you want me to put on Robinhood.
Okay, so this is.
But you got to take that deal.
So I said $25 on anything you want on Robinhood, but let's see what deal we made.
Wix, one platform, any website, unlimited creation.
Let's keep listening.
I own a construction company, actually. Potholes, please. You really think it's gonna go over $1 trillion? Probably. I mean, it just depends. Do you think Bitcoin's gonna go to $1 million? Do you think Bitcoin's gonna be a $10 trillion? Sure, I'll super chat $10. All right, let's do it.
Okay, so I never said that I would give you $20. So $10. So like, well, let's keep listening.
All right, let's mark it. So the 18th and 19th, yeah, deal. And then if I get it wrong, so if it's not red on the 18th and 19th, then you could tell me I'll buy something, whatever you tell me that's on Robinhood. I'll put in $20 in there. So let me see. So we are looking.
Okay, so I said I'll put in $20 in Robinhood.
At
Let's keep watching.
December 18th,
I don't know why I didn't say $10.
and
or
December
whatever.
19th. So we have it marked on the chart right now. So we'll see. Can you look at useless coins?
So yeah.
But I don't think you were here.
So that's our bet. So basically, if these candles are, if they're on the 18th and the 19th, we're going down, meaning that we close in the red, then you win. But if I win, then that means that those candles are going to be green on the 18th and 19th. And you have to super chat me $10. TNT Media says, holy cow, XAGUSD. What is that? Is this a bot? It's not even mooning. What? How did a bot get in here? What's up, the Truth Trill? Yeah, so that's the bet. So the bet is, if it's red, you win, and $20 in Robinhood. If I win, you gotta super chat me $10. But if it's, I guess if it's red and green, then it's a wash. It's over with. So so I'm betting green, and you're betting red. No, not below any sort of target point. Basically, if it's going down, meaning that if it's red, like if the candles are red, right? If it's green, that means it's going up. We didn't specify like a price target. That's not what I wanted. I wanted if it's just simply going down or going up. So there's a lot of more contingencies. That's the bet. Yeah, that is the bet. If it's going down, it's red. If it's going up, it's green. $20 on Robinhood. We'll figure it out, Sajin. Don't worry. We'll figure it out. Yeah, I did it. We're talking about BTC. If it's red, like nowhere did we talk about price. Nowhere did we say it has to stay over 88,000. How do you determine whether a coin is going up or going down, Sajin? If the candles are red or if the candles are green? Because you think that it's going to be red. You think it's going to go down on the 18th and 19th. So you don't have to worry about it because the candles are going to be red if we go down. You know what I mean? But like, it might not even matter. You know, it might not even matter. It might just completely, you know, nuke or something. Like it doesn't really matter. But we're not talking about price. We're not talking about 88,000. You're the one that said 88,000. I didn't say anywhere near that 88,000. But it's okay, Sajin. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. The fear in you is funny, man. Dude, trust me, I'm not worried about $20, man. I'm worried about the $10. I can't wait to get that $10 super chat. I'm gonna have a nice Subway sandwich with that. I'm gonna make a food review. Let's see. Yeah, I guess we should have specified like pricing. Maybe we should have said, hey, if BTC is under 88,000, or hey, if BTC is over 88,000. That would have been a lot. That would have been a lot better. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow and Thursday, so we will see. Let's see. Theoric, send his wait. I shouldn't be making these videos like Grug. What is this? This coin just came out and it's up like. That's funny. Yeah, this coin just came out and it's up like 10,000%. Wow. Hey, no worries, Sajin. I appreciate it, man. We might, neither of us might win. It might be red green. So it might be green red or red green. So there's plenty of more opportunities. And then this, you know, we'll definitely specify it better. But I'm shooting for green green and you're shooting for red red. So it's either going to be one or the other. If it was the if it was the 17th, you would already be starting off pretty good because it's selling off. Let's see. I guess we get sorted by market cap. Yeah. Trending by market cap. I guess Bitcoin's trending. That's good. Ethereum, Chainlink's trending. Wait, Coinbase just listed that coin that was down 50%? No way. Grug? This coin? This? What coin? Oh, this coin? Oh my god, dude. Another Coinbase rug. Look at this, guys. They like, look at this token unlock schedule. What a scam. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see this? Yo. They just came out today and they have like a... Oh my gosh, man. I gotta make a video on this. Taking a look at Theoric THQ on the live stream. So, red alert, mayday, mayday. Please be careful when you buy these coins. Coinbase just listed this coin, and we always talk in the live streams how they love to list coins with very little market cap and a very heavy, fully diluted market cap with a ridiculous token unlock schedule. So keep in mind, this is extremely inflationary. This is not good. So just be careful when you buy this coin. It doesn't mean you can't make money, but look, the coin just came out and they're going to be releasing coins all the way out to 2031. So as I like to say, is that people are going to get farmed for 7 years, and then they're going to determine that this coin sucks and they're going to delist it, and you're basically going to zero. But again, that doesn't necessarily have to happen with this coin. I'm just saying be careful, because some coins, actually most of my coins that we watch on the live stream and we look at do that. So just be careful. Now, in terms of price action goes, it doesn't mean that it can't go up. But look, it got listed and then it's immediately getting smacked back down, and you're down 50% already. So there's no reward for holding this coin right now. Again, it doesn't mean that it can't go up, but just be careful and be smart about it. As far as TA goes, I can't even look at it because it's so bearish. So that's pretty much it. That's my take on Theoric, THQ. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you so much for your support. Yeah, I mean, what am I going to do? Like, what are we going to say about it, you know? They don't even hide it anymore. They don't. They actually, like... Excuse me. They actually, like, put it right out here. Like, look at this. Dude, there's going to be so much selling next December. Wow. I feel like 7,000 holders too. I feel like they just create fake wallets to get this number up, to get the holders number up. Like a lot of these wallets are just like fake wallets. Right? Like look at the Etherscan. I guarantee you that like a lot of them have like less than one, right? Look at this. Yeah, like look at this. Yo, it doesn't even have a dollar value. These are all pennies. So like last year they created all these wallets that are less than a penny. So right off the bat, bam, that's one page full of zeros. That's another page full of zeros. Oh, sorry, holders. Let me look at holders. Sorry about that. Let me go to last page. Yeah, like look at this. What's the dollar value on this? Yeah, dude, this is like what? Like, look, this guy has 0.79 of this coin. So how much is this coin? Yeah, so not even 8 cents. Look at that. That's so deceiving. This is so deceiving. So deceiving. Wow. Whatever. I don't care. Oh wow, we've been live for an hour and 11 minutes. Okay, I think we've been live for quite some time now. So what is it? The 18th and the 19th, right? Okay, so I got to make sure I live stream on the 18th. Oh man. Oh man, I can't make it on the live stream. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, I'll be live. I'll be live tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, same time. I think we're gonna call it here. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate all your support, all the likes, all the subscribers, all the members. Thank you so much for helping support the channel. Have a great night. Have a great day tomorrow. And what else am I missing? Have a great day tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope to see everybody in the next live stream.